In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to schedule a call inside of Zoho CRM. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Zoho CRM like you usually would. Then from here you need to go up to the menu, and where it says call, you need to click on that. Then from here it should be looking something like this. Well, if you go up to the right hand corner, you'll see something called create call. And when you click on that, you'll have the opportunity to click schedule a call. Then this page is going to be popping up, and here you can add in the call information like call for. You can add the related to, which you can select either account or any of these. You can add call type, outgoing call status, a call start, and call owner, and you can choose that either by yourself or somebody in your team. You can also add a subject and a reminder for you. Then you can also add a purpose of outgoing call, and here you can add a call purpose and a call agenda. And when you're done with all of that, you need to click schedule. And then you can see here call created successfully, and here you can see call schedule with Chris Marrier sample. And this is how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!